my lovely students watching me at home. I love you. So let me quickly do solution to the question number 2 given to you in the previous class, which is very simple. Now, I know some of you that have tried the topic and might have tried solving the question, which is very good. I love that. But let me do mine. Let's do it together and let's see if you get it right or there's a little mistake you made that you need to correct. So let's do it. So let's go. You know, the first thing to do, you draw your table. Good. You have your table already, right? The starting gaseous compound contains 2.80% carbon and what? 70.20% hydrogen by mass. Calculate the molecular formula. If the vapor density is 29, wow, that's good. This is another dimension. Good. Now, first thing you remember, first thing you have to do is, okay, look at it. You are given, the element here is what? Carbon and what? Hydrogen. So we use symbol, carbon and hydrogen. Followed by what? Percentage composition of what? Of the elements. So that of C is what? Carbon is 82 point what? 80. And that of hydrogen is what? 70.20. And you also give the relative atomic mass. Carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1. You are given in the question. Good. What's the next thing? Divide by what? By relative atomic mass, right? So that would have been 82.80 divided by what? Carbon is 12. Good. And what do we have here? 70.20 divided by what? Hydrogen is 1. So what would this one give us? So that 82.20 give us what? Let's see, press your calculator. Are you doing that? 6.9. Why this one give us what? 70.20. Wow. So what do we have to do? You divide by the smallest value. You divide by the smallest value. Good. Well, divide by this, which one is the smallest value from the two? Which one? 6.9, right? That would not be what? Let's cancel this equals to sign. That would be 6. Let's write it out. Divide by the smallest value. 6.9 divided by 6.9. And what do we have here? 30.20 divided by what? 6.9. So this one give us 1. And this one should give us around 2.45. Yes, you should have 2.45. And you know, from the empirical formula, we have to get the simplest ratio. Simplest mole ratio. Good. So now, having this one, we cannot have a empirical formula to be 1:2.45. We need to have it on equal side. What do we do? We have to divide, multiply both sides by 2. So I have our simplest ratio. Multiply both sides by what? By 2. That is 2 multiplied by 1 gives us what? 2. So let's try and do this one. This one gives us, we have 2.5, right? Good. 2 multiplied by 2.5 gives us what? 5. So now, our empirical formula here is equals to what? C2H what? 5. Good. So we have C2H5. Well, we don't stop there. Why? The question still continues. Yes. It said calculate the molecular formula if the vapor density is 29. Good. We are not just given relative molecular mass here. We are given vapor density. And we are given vapor density. You have to multiply vapor density by what? By 2. The number given in the question. So now, our molecular formula equals what? What's the empirical formula? C2H5. All equals to what? What do we have? It's supposed to be 29, but what is vapor density? That is 2 multiplied by 29. Good. So what's that? Now, let's look for the relative atomic mass of the empirical formula. That would be 2 multiplied by 12 plus 1 multiplied by what? 5. N, you have N here, equals 2 times 2 multiplied by 23 give us what? 58, right? Good. 58. So we now have what? What do we have here? We have 24 plus 5 and equals what? 58. 58. So what do we have here? That is 29n equals 58. Divide to get our value for n. We have to divide both sides by 29. Yes. Divided by 29. Divided by 29. 29 year 1, 29 year 1, 29 year 1, 29 year 2. So our n equals what? 2. We have our n to be 2 here, right? Good. We now use this 2 to multiply our empirical formula to get our actual molecular formula. So our molecular formula, we have to write it to have a full mark. That would have be 2 times 2. That would have be C what? 4. 2 multiplied by the 5 here. That is 10, right? 2, 4, 8, 10. Wow. That's a very molecular formula. I hope you get it. Are you sure? So if you get it right, just mark it for yourself. But when you made a mistake, kindly correct yourself. Please, don't miss any step. Don't just press the calculator and really get to the answer. You need to show your workings because calculation in chemistry, we mark it step wisely. And I know for this, you can hear yourself 6 or 7 marks. I will see you next class. I love you. God bless you. Auntie T cares. I always do. Please see you in the next class. Take care of yourself. I love you all. Thank you.